Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites, data quality, clear class labels, and the evaluation metric you care about. Once done, pick a model family that matches latency and cost goals, encoder only for speed, encoder-decoder for flexible prompts. Next, make sure you prepare a small labeled seed set, typically 100 to 1,000 examples, and split into train/validation/test. Then you create prompts or fine-tuning templates, so the model sees consistent task framing. You now execute the core workflow. Choose few-shot prompts if you want zero training, fine-tune when you need higher accuracy, or train a lightweight classifier on frozen embeddings for efficiency. While training, monitor loss and your chosen metric on the validation set, and adjust learning rate, batch size, and epochs based on trends. Also incorporate augmentation to cover rare classes and experiment with prompt templates. Small prompt edits can change model behavior dramatically, so iterate until validation stabilizes. You finish by evaluating on the held-out test set, reporting the primary metric plus per class performance so you know where errors concentrate. Once done, deploy with confidence thresholds and logging, and set up monitoring to detect distribution drift or label shifts. If performance is poor, first inspect misclassified examples for labeling or prompt issues, then retrain or expand the seed set. Finally, make sure to automate periodic reevaluation so the classifier stays reliable in production.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.